Hi, it's Bita from Oven Hug, Master Health and Wellness Coach. Today I'm going to share with you how to make your own microwave popcorn in a bag. I love popcorn, and what I love about this technique is that you can control how much oil you use, keeping it a light, healthy snack. Just add the seasonings of your choice. You need a paper bag, popcorn kernels, spray oil, and some spices. Use a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, a school-sized bag. You'll want to fold it over twice, and I usually put a staple. It's totally okay to use a staple in the microwave. Next, you microwave it. Next, put it in the microwave. In our microwave, it takes about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You'll want to experiment and find out how long it takes in yours. It may take up to 3 minutes, it might only take 2 minutes, but just wait until it stops popping, until the pops are about 2 or 3 seconds apart, and you'll get the perfect results. Our popcorn is ready. Be careful when you're removing it, not to burn yourself. It might be a little hot and steamy. Next step is to open your bag and carefully pour the popcorn in a bowl. We have some spray oil. I like to cover the popcorn with oil. This is gonna help your spices to stick. So we like salt. This is a pink Himalayan sea salt. We have everything but the bagel seasoning, which is basically sesame seeds, garlic, and onion. And we really like garlic. This is garlic. You can experiment, put some Parmesan. If you're not a dairy person, you can use nutritional yeast. And that's it, a delicious, nutritious snack to enjoy.